your kids was working very hard, and I'm very proud of everybody here. They do an amazing job, and it's incredible how they see me in the school and they ask if we are practicing, because they love to work and do music with me. And even when I didn't present a ballet today because I'm not a dancer teacher, I know that your kids learn how to feel and listen to music, and that is enough to me because I love music, and Tchaikovsky, this composer, means a lot for me. He was born in Russia, but his music is more like a French music. And everybody here, I'm very, very sure that has influence for another cultures. And nobody is better than anybody. All the cultures are important, so our population is like that. Is better with more influence, is better with more cultures together. So I'm very proud of you. Thank you. So as a last song, we want to sing for you Silent Night.